Hello and welcome to another weekly test of the fire alarm system. It's been many years since I made a video, but I thought, well, I'll make a quick video now because I was looking through some old videos and I thought, well, I used to really enjoy making them, so might as well set it off really quickly. There's nothing really changed with it, it's the same, I think. The sounders in the house have been upgraded to the newer S-Quads. But we still have the S3 sounder in here and outside as well, so I'll quickly set it off and I'll probably just press call point. So we've got the upside down S3.
This is a fire alarm. Please leave the building immediately by the nearest available exit.
And you can hear it out here as well, obviously because of the outdoor sounder. It does sound quite cool. I'll silence it now.
This is a fire alarm. Please leave the building immediately by the nearest available exit.
And it's a very long tone hold as well with newer S-Quads. Try and just reset this. There we go. Yeah, I mean, to be honest, the system probably won't expand further because there's just no need. It's very functional in terms of it does everything we need, which is good. But yeah, it honestly is pretty reliable. Not really had any issues with it. It's all wired in FP now as well, so pretty solid. Same up here. So let's reset that. Yep, all healthy. Right, cool. Well, thank you very much for watching. And stay tuned for more. I mean, can't really think of what else I will do, but it's something. So, take care.